me just a smiley face, and suddenly I lose the race. To keep my cool, pretend I'm fine, but boy, you sneak into my mind. Your hair's a mess, you spill your tea, and that's somehow so cute to me. No diamonds, no shiny lights, still you glow in my good night. I tell myself don't overthink, but now I'm writing in pink ink. Your name's inside my little book. Oops, don't give me that look. Hey, it's you.